In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix if Face ID and passcode feature is not displayed in your iPhone settings. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to settings. If we scroll down a bit, then somewhere here at that section we should find Face ID and passcode. However, as you can see now, it is not displayed here. And now I'm gonna show you how we can easily fix that. So guys, first off we need to find the screen time here. At screen time, tap at content and privacy restrictions, and then scroll down to the very bottom until you find passcode and Face ID. As you can see, in my case it is set to don't allow, and we can just select allow here. And now if we go back to settings, Face ID and passcode should appear right here. As you can see, here it is. Now we can enter that option. It will ask us to enter our current passcode, and then we'll be able to make any changes here. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.